Hey y'all, it's Margaret back with Saunders IT for our How To Tuesday. So today is going to be about how AI can help teach you something. Okay, so I'm going to tell y'all a true story that just happened to me this morning. All right, so I had over 50 customer reviews or testimonials that I wanted to turn into a professional booklet for new clients. Okay, so I already had everything I needed. I had the reviews, the pictures, the wording, everything. But the problem was I had absolutely no idea how to put it all together. So normally, this is the kind of thing that I would have asked one of our senior technicians and had to wait until they had time to help me. But instead, I opened a new thing that we have and offer, and it's called HATZ. HATZ. And HATZ is a service that we offer that gives you access to more than 60 different LLMs in one secure place. So you might say, what in the world is an LLM? LLM stands for large language model. So think of an LLM like a really smart AI assistant that's been trained on huge amounts of information so it can answer questions, explain things, help solve problems, or even write and organize information. So like an LLM would be like ChatGPT is one, Grok is one, Gemini is one. All the different AI tools are LLMs. So the neat thing about HATZ, and I will talk more about that next week, because it's a great safe environment for your information, and it keeps your company safe, all the things. I'll talk about that next week. But it figures out which LLM is best suited to help you finish and try to accomplish what you're doing, okay? So here's exactly what I typed. Explain to me how to create a booklet with over 50 reviews and photos. Give me a step-by-step instruction list on a 5th grade reading level. And I always say 5th grade reading level because that is low enough that it gets you away from the tech jargon where they get too detailed and all that. So that's exactly what I did. It didn't just tell me what software to use. It walked me through every single click. And through HATZ, it naturally uses that tool. So I didn't have to go to that tool. It has access to all of them. So one step at a time, I followed the instructions exactly, and before long, I had my booklet finished. No frustration, no guessing, no waiting on someone else to have time to help me. So here's the lesson. AI is not just for writing emails or creating social media posts. Sometimes the best use of AI is simply asking it to teach you how to do something. So if you're stuck on a task, don't just ask AI to do it for you. Ask it to coach you through it. You might be surprised how much you can accomplish yourself. So at Saunders IT, we help take all the confusion out of today's technology. And sometimes that means fixing a computer, and sometimes it means giving you the right AI tool so that technology finally starts working for you and not against you. So y'all, please feel free to continue to email me, margaret@saundersit.net. Our website is saundersit.net. And then over on our social sites, we've got Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and X. We'd love to see you over there. And y'all look towards next week, and I'm going to talk about HATZ a little bit more. It's a great, great thing that we offer. I'm really excited about it. I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye.